Det, men vi har spillet dem rigtig mange gange. Og vi er ikke trætte af dem, det vil ikke være forkert at sige, men vi har lyst til at på den her tur måske, eller give dem lidt en anden indpakning. Og det har vi gjort med et par sange, jeg håber det er okay med jer. I har ikke noget valg, det er også der bestemmer. Billetten er købt, der er ingen returret. Jeg håber i øvrigt, at I hygger jer bare en lille smule. Her kommer en sang, som satte det hele i gang for mit vedkommende for mange år siden. Det er sådan her. Kiss me off to work in the morning, but it doesn't mean that's where I'm going. Cause my meals I cook when I return, I want you to know it doesn't mean that's all you've been doing. I could be in the streets playing the game, and you could be home doing the same damn thing. Cause when you cheat on the low, that's true. Won't you tell me now, who's cheating? That's right. Out with the boys, don't have to be with the boys at all. And when you visit your mother, baby, well, I want you to know her name could easily change to Paul. Now when someone gives you love, it's like money in the bag. If you take and never return, you got to come out blank. Cause when you cheat on the love, that's true. Won't you tell me now, who's cheating who? Who's cheating who? If you give up the good for what's good, maybe. Who's cheating who? If you steal the bread that feeds you, baby. If you ignore your alarm and sleep right on, you gain more sleep, but your job might be gone. Kiss me off to work in the morning, but it doesn't mean that's where I'm going. Cause my meals I cook when I return, I want you to know it doesn't mean that's all you've been doing. I would be in the street playing the game, you could be home doing the same darn thing. But when you cheat on a love that's true, won't you tell me now, who's cheating who? Who's cheating who? I want you to tell me now, baby, who's cheating who? Oh, who's the fool now, honey? I wonder if you know what I'm talking about now. Who's cheating who? Just like a raindrop in the drought. Find someone who gets what I'm all about, and it's you. Sometimes I hurt you so bad when I stay away just to roam. Here's how you handle a man like that. You go, shh, honey, just glad you're home, just like a raindrop in a drought. Find someone who gets what I'm all about, and it's you. just like a raindrop in the drought. Finding someone who gets what I'm all about. Whoa, why just like a raindrop in a drought? Finding someone, that's what I'm all about. And is you